3.5% of 15,000. What is the answer? Is it 5.25, 52.5, 525, or 5,250? So pause the video, work it out, and see if your answer is correct. So we have 3.5% of 15,000. First of all, we have to know what this means and what this means. Now we know that percent means over 100. So this simply means 3.5 over 100. And then of stands for multiplication. When they say 2 of 10, that means they're saying 2 times 10. Of means multiplication. So 3.5 over 100 times 15,000. This is what it implies. Now here we have 3.5. 3.5 is equals to, so you get here, how many decimal places are there? It's one decimal place. So you get 35 and then divide by, since it's one decimal place, it will be over 10. So this is the same as this. So we can replace this in this place. So we shall have 35 over 10 divided by 100 times 15,000. Okay? So this becomes 35 over 10. This multiply and then multiply by the reciprocal. So 1 over 100 times 15,000. So we shall have 35 times 1 is 35 over 10 times 100 is 1,000 times 15,000. So this cancel with this. So we are left with 35 times 15, which is equals to 525. So the correct answer here was option C, 525. Did you get it right? Okay, let's go to the next question. Alan, so before we continue, remember there are 5 questions in this video. So work them out before you watch the solution of the video of that question and mark yourself out of 5 how many you got. You can comment how many you were able to get right in the comment section down below. We want to know how our questions are working out for you. So question number 2, we have Alan is 5 years older than Bart. If in 3 years Alan's age will be twice Bart's, how old are they now? So now Alan is 5 years older than Bart. Now let Bart's age shall say let Bart's age now be X. Okay, that means Alan now is, since they've said Alan is 5 years older than Bart, that means you get Bart's age and then add 5 to each to get Alan's age. Okay, so we can represent this in a table. So we can have their names here. We have Bart and Alan. So their ages now, we have said Bart is X and Alan is 5 years older, so it will be X plus 5. Now, we have been told that in 3 years from now, Alan's age will be twice that of Bart. So that means in 3 years from now, Alan's age will be twice that of Bart. So Bart will be, in 3 years, Bart will be X plus 3, right? That means Alan, we've been told he will be twice Bart's age. That means Alan will be twice of this. Will be twice of Bart's age in 3 years. So Alan will be 2 times x plus 3, which is also equals to, in 3, since his age now is x plus 5, in 3 years, if you add 3 to this, his age now, it will be x plus 5 plus 3. So his age in 3 years is the same as, it will be twice Bert's age in 3 years. Okay? So we have got this equation which we can solve. So we have 2 into x plus 3 being equals to x plus 5 plus 3. So 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 3 is 6 is equals to x plus 5 plus 3 is 8. So we collect like terms. We shall have 2x minus x being equals to 8 minus 6. 2x minus x is x, so x is equals to 8 minus 6 is 2. Remember, we said x represents Bert's age right now. So right now, Bert is 2 years old right now. Therefore, Alan, remember we said Alan now is x plus 5. So it will be x plus 5, which is 2 plus 5, which is 7 years. So Alan is 7 years old right now and Bert is 2 years old right now. Let's look at another question. If a person can burn 120 calories in 15 minutes of cycling, how many calories can the person burn in 75 minutes? Work it out and see what your answer will be. Will it match our answer? So they've said a person can burn 100 calories in 15 minutes. So in proportions, we can say 120 calories can be burnt in 15 minutes. So how many calories can the person burn in 75 minutes? So when you use proportions, this will be equals to x calories, which we don't know, will be burnt in 75 minutes. Okay, so this is our expression, which we have to work it out to find the value of x. Now what you do is you cross multiply here. So we shall have 15 times x, which is 15x, is equals to 120 times 75, which gives us 15x being equals to, this is 9,000. Divide both sides by by 15, and x is equals to, so 9,000 divided by 15, you get 600. And therefore, the person can burn 600 calories in 75 minutes. Okay, so that's how you solve. So let's look at another question. Question number 3. Question number 4. If a pizza delivery person drives 276 miles in 3 days, how many miles will the person drive in 5 days? So they told us the pizza delivery person drives 276 miles in 3 days. So how many miles will he drive in 5 days? So using proportions, this is the equation we come up with. So here we are going to cross multiply. So we shall have 3 days times x miles. So it's x miles in 3 days. So which is 3x is equals to this in 5 days. So 276 miles, 276 times 5 days. Where we get 3x being equals to 276 times 5 is 1380. Divide both sides by 3. This cancels, and x is equals to, this divided by 3 is 460. And therefore, the pizza delivery person drives 460 miles in 5 days. If he drives this in 3 days, that means in 5 days he drives 460 miles. Hope you got it right. Let's look at our last question. Find the Celsius temperature C when the Fahrenheit temperature F is 86 degrees. And they've told us use C is equals to 5/9 into F, which is Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees. So they've told us what to use, the formula to use. So our goal is to convert from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what is 86 degrees Fahrenheit equals to in Celsius? Okay, so the strategy you are going to use is this, which you have been given. They've told us C is equals to 5/9 into F minus 32 degrees. Now F, we have F is equals to 86 degrees, which you want to convert to C degrees or degrees Celsius. Okay, so we have F. So C will be equals to 5/9 into F is 86 minus, so 86 degrees minus 32 degrees. So C will be equals to 5/9 times 86 minus 32 is 54. So 54 is divisible by 9 6 times, and therefore C is equals to 5 times 6, which is equals to 30 degrees. Therefore, 86 degrees Fahrenheit is equals to 30 degrees Celsius. Hope you got the answers right. Did you get 5 out of 5? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for sticking with us. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Like, comment, and share.